How to create new tab on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a new tab on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then just click this one and then click this 3 points here and then all you need to do is just click here, new tab, and as you see a new tab has been created. And that's how create a new tab on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.